Hello mga idol! So again, this is the continuation. Actually, this is the new part of a night in my life. So as you can see, yeah, gabi na. So syempre, dahil since gabi na tayo nagigising, hindi natin pwede makalimutan mag-pumper. So right now, I'm here at Jamila Aesthetics. So this is located at Marcos Highway. So I will just put the address and the link. So yan. Sino ka dyan? Pa-pumper time tayo. Let's go! Let's go. Oh. Hala, ang cute. Sino ka dyan? Ganda-gandahan. So, after the gluted rig, tayo ay magpapa-eyelashes. Makikita natin ang ating transformation. Wah! 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 Oh. Wala pa. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. I love it. That is all for our night in my life here at Jamila